Hello, I'm James Vlog, and today I'm gonna show you how Google works. So Google Document is the new Microsoft Word for virtual assistant like me. So I'm just gonna run through this Google Document for you to have some ideas why Google Document is the number one applications that used by freelancers or virtual assistant. So first, let's open our Gmail account. Today I'll be using my husband's account. So let's click it here, Google Apps, these dots icons here, and then click try to redirect you to the Google Drive. So first, if you don't have any Gmail account, so you must create a Gmail account for you to have an access on Google Documents and any Google products and services. So there are many ways how to create Google Document in Google Drive. So first, you can click you can right click any space to create Google Document. So let's start. So here, after right click on this space here, there will be a pop-up option like this one. So here, Google Document, if you hover your mouse in this arrow, there's another options like that one, the blank document and the template document. So in the template document, you will be provided so many templates here for you to use in creating a document, but mostly as a virtual assistant we are using the blank document. So you just simply click that one, or you can create a document through here. Just click this portion here is the default title. So first you must change the default title to your preferred title. So let's start. So I changed the default title to my preferred title. So when I click this document, you can see it here, it's saved automatically. It's saved automatically to your drive. So whenever you close that one and then come back later on, you can access that already here in the drive. So see, you can easily click that one and you will be redirected to the undone document. So if you want to see some changes, you can click this one for the work history or version history. So let's go back. This is the menu bar, and this is the formatting bar. So let's create a sample text here. is my sample text. So as you can see, it was underlined, or my text is underlined with red. So meaning it is grammatically wrong, or I mistyped a word. So this is the Google suggestion. So let's just click that one, and it will be automatically corrected. So if you want to change the font and font size, you just simply highlight that one and choose any fonts in here, and then the font size will be here. So let's just click 24 to make it more bigger. And then if you want this alignment to be adjusted, you just simply click it here. Just choose, for now I'm gonna choose justify here. So this is the justify view, or you just simply click center alignment. And this option is the line spacing. For the default in Google document, the default line spacing is 1.15. So you can adjust it here for your preferred line spacing. This option, numbered list, if you want your text to be automatically numbered. And here is the bullet form, and this is this portion is the indent. This one, you can adjust that portion in here, or you can simply move this arrow, any of these adjustment. So in the menu bar, we can also access some formatting applications that we cannot see immediately here. Just like here in the text, you cannot see straight through, superscript and subscript in here on the formatting tool. So it's hidden under the menu bar. So just explore everything here, and the formatting toolbar, explore everything in Google document features. So whenever your client, or whenever you created content, you can be more creative on how you can write or show your content to anyone. So if you want also to highlight this text, you can simply click this marker icon and then choose a color if you want. It's highlighted already. And if you want to undo the process, you can simply click this undo button, or if you want to return the process, you can simply redo that one, or just simply undo it here. There's a lot of options in undoing that process. And then if you want to link if you want to link a text on your sentence to the website or any articles you want, you just simply highlight that portion, then click this hyperlink icon here, and then simply click any suggestions here or simply add the link on the box and click apply. So as you can see, the word is now blue, so meaning it is already linked to the site. So if you like this video tutorial, don't forget to like and comment for your suggestions, and first thing is don't forget to subscribe in my channel for more videos that I will be creating. So bye.